Describe the concept of subsets using an example. Subsets refer to a portion of a larger set that contains some or all elements of the original set, but possibly fewer. For example, imagine you have a set of all fruits in a basket: apples, bananas, oranges, and grapes. A subset of this basket could be just the apples and bananas. Another subset could be the oranges alone, or even the entire original set of fruits itself. Importantly, an empty set, no fruits at all, is also technically a subset of the original fruit basket set. This concept is crucial in data analysis, where you might have a large dataset, the basket, and you want to focus on a specific part of the data, a subset, for detailed analysis. For instance, if your dataset contains sales data for various products, a subset might include sales data for only one specific product. What are three methods for selecting subsets of data, and could you provide a detailed example for each? By condition, conditional selection, this method involves choosing parts of the data that meet a specific condition. Example, imagine you have a list of students with their test scores. You want to find out who scored above 80. By applying a condition that selects only scores greater than 80, you subset the data to include only those students, too. By column names, selecting specific variables, sometimes you're interested in only a few of the many pieces of information available in a dataset. Example, let's say you have a table with students' names, ages, and hobbies, but you only want to look at their names and hobbies. By selecting just the name and hobby columns, you create a subset of the original data focusing on these two variables. By row numbers, index selection, this method selects data based on its position in the dataset. Example, if you have a list of 100 books, and you're only interested in checking out books numbered from 11 to 20 on the list, you would subset the data by selecting rows 11 through 20. This gives you a smaller list that's easier to manage and analyze.